How to remove device from Netflix account. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you remove device from your Netflix account. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Netflix with your account. Alright, so after you open the Netflix, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on your profile icon just at the top right corner. Okay, so from here, tap on your account. Alright, so from that section, you'll have to just scroll down and go the sections like security and privacy, and from that section, you'll have to just tap on the option manage access and devices. So simply tap on that option. Okay, so from this section, you can easily find all of the devices that are using your Netflix account, and from here, you'll have to just choose for the device whom you want to log out or remove, and after you choose it, you'll have to just tap on the option sign out. And after you tap on that sign out, you can easily remove or sign out that device from your Netflix account. And although you can also sign out all of the devices that are using your account, so for that you'll have to just again go the section security and privacy, and from there you might find the options like sign out of all devices, and after you tap on that, you'll have to just tap on the option sign out to sign out all devices that are using your Netflix account, and from that way you can easily remove the devices from your Netflix account. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.